What's the biggest challenge we are seeing in the real estate market here in Villanova, Radnor, Gladwin, Newtown Square, Haverford and Bryn Mawr? It's the lack of inventory. It's been insane. There's just not enough homes to support buyers' demand. And in fact, according to Altos research, we only have just over 325,000 active homes in inventory as compared to January 2016, where we had almost triple the amount of inventory. And this means, as a seller, there has never been a better time to sell. When your supply is low, you'll end up getting more money for your home. Hi, I'm Kimmy Rolfe with Berkshire Hathaway Fox & Roach, and I have been in the real estate industry for years, and I've seen some constricted markets, but I've never seen inventory this low. So it's creating a complicated scenario. Even for luxury buyers with excellent financing options and budgets, this can create some uneasiness if you're thinking about selling your home and you need to find a replacement property. The good news is that there are solutions to make sure you don't end up in a home that is worse than the one you're leaving. But it's difficult to give advice on what you can and you can't do to ease that worry unless we really dive into all the details. Here's what I suggest you do if you're thinking of selling your home. First, if you click on the link below, you'll be taken to a page where there's a lot of information about selling. It goes into great depth and detail about the ins and the outs of selling, and you can also request a free market analysis where we can tell you exactly what you could sell your home for in today's market. It will show you how your home compares against other homes that are listed and have not yet sold, and it can give you an idea of how much you could net and walk away with if you were to sell. I've found that when you arm yourself with information and knowledge about selling, and when you know what you'd walk away with and what you can do with that money, then we can work through the concerns that you may have about not being able to find a replacement property and give you some solutions. So just click on the link below and you'll have everything that you need to arm yourself with valuable information. Or if you would just like a little advice or have some questions, then please give us a call at Kimmy Rolfe Real Estate. Kimmy Rolfe sells luxury on the main line and surrounding areas.